boy, look who walked up to the shop today, man. I've been looking for this dude since last week, man. Superstar. What's happening, baby? Where you been? Huh? You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Lion King called us, gave you a damn shout out yesterday. He said he gonna whoop your ass.
Talking and doing is two different.
Yeah, in case y'all guys don't know, man, this is Superstar. This the guy I talk about all the time. Now y'all niggas wanna go fast? Y'all need to see this man right here. That's the man. That's where he got that name from, Superstar. Yes, sir. Yeah. He used to run with the stars. You see? Yeah, that's him. Yeah, I'm gonna follow you, man. Where you at?
You are gonna film now.
Hey guys, man, I tell you, these guys are here at the shop, man. I tell you, this shop talk is real. This stuff is real, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. Appreciate y'all giving me a little bit more of y'all time. What is it? Right now, I got a Nissan Maxima 01 model that has a has a skip on cylinder 1. And what we found out is that the core pack and the plug is probably going to have to be changed. That's normally what it is when it gets that type of a skip. It's not like a plug skip. It's more like an arc off the side, okay? So, you guys, 01 Nissan Maxima, changing the core pack and spark plug, you know? Okay, so guys, check this out, man. It's been a while, man, but one of my friends came by. You understand me? World famous, Mr. Fitzgerald. You know, all them gals know him. You know, he's been around for a long time. You know, they know him up and down. My man, Mr. Fitzgerald. Fitzgerald, welcome to the shop. Appreciate you stopping by, man. I mean, I told y'all guys, man. People from all walks of life, from everywhere, stop by Daryl's. You understand me? Especially when the sun is out. You see what I'm saying? And this is shop talk. This is what we do. You know, we sit around at the shop, about like y'all do at barbershop. Some of you go in the barbershop just to talk because you ain't got no damn hair. So, you know what I mean? They do that here too. Okay? So, Fitz, talk to some of my subscribers, man, and tell them how long you been knowing me, man. And it's been a long journey for the old boy, but the old boy came out on the other side.
Yeah. I think, man, matter of fact, when I met you, you was on the other side, and I kept working with you, and come across. That was back in, I think, when first went to Mint. They both went to Mint, October '97.
97. Long time.
So it's been a while.
See what I'm saying, guys? See, you know, it's not, you know, we all got, you know, stories to tell. You know what I mean? And sometimes people pick certain spots where they want to tell that story. I decided to do this YouTube thing because I wanted to reach out to a lot of different people, show them some small things on how to fix their car, save them some money, and let you know that you can have a small business like mine and be profitable and take care of your family. You don't have to have that big building that a lot of people seem to say, well, if it ain't a big building, they don't know what they're talking about. Is that true or not, Fitz?
That's true, because I've been dealing with you for years. Every problem I had in my car, I was calling you first.
There you go.
Plus, also, they can stay out the streets.
Stay out the streets. There you go.
Stay out the streets. You know, the streets ain't for everybody.
Ain't for everybody. Everybody ain't built like that. Even though they think they are.
They think they are, but they not. They not. Everybody ain't built like that.
Fitz, tell us about the COVID shot. I got mine yesterday, baby. You know what I mean? They say within 2 weeks I'm gonna be all right. You know, I want to took the one shot. You know, Johnson & Johnson yesterday. I had my helper, Mr. Charles. I had him to go do it too, cause he likes staying in them girls' faces at night. You know what I mean? So yeah, look at him. Charles showing his sticker off. Look at it. Yes, sir. I am vaccinated. All right. Well, look here. We gonna get back to this car now. He's having a problem with this plug. So you know, guys, hang tight, and I'm gonna show you how I'll change the plug and the core pack in it. 01 Nissan. Okay, guys, back. here on this #1 core pack, you know, they got these, what we used to call out here in my world, the go to hell clamps. You understand? And what you have to do to get this clamp off, because a lot of people have trouble with it. I see them all messed up and everything. You have to put it in. You have to, when it's on, you have to pull down this way. You pull it this way, and when you push this way, you push this in and pull out. And it'll come out. It'll come out every time that way. Okay? Check this out, guys. It's going in this way. You push it down a little, you'll feel it. It'll have a little like that on it. You pull it down, mash in, and pull out. It's just that simple. Okay? So now that we got the core pack out, we're gonna take the plug out, and we're gonna change the plug and the core pack for cylinder 1 misfire. That's how I do it here at the shop, man. I'm addressing the problem that the check engine light got. They don't want a whole tune-up. They just want that particular part fixed. So that's what I'm addressing, all right? Because I know some of you guys might, why he ain't doing it? Because that's what the customer wants. All right, guys, if you think this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button, because I need that thumbs up, man. And then share it. Till next time, man. OG.